Level up, family, what's up? I'm back here today with another video for you guys. Today, this video is gonna be something real simple. Let's see if you ever had this problem first. That's the light on the dash that lets me know that one of my lights on the truck is out. So I hate having lights on my dash. It bothers me, especially at nighttime. You just driving, you got that bright light just there, you know, in your face. I hate lights. So I'm gonna fix that. So I walked around the truck and I found out which light is out. It actually took me a while because this light was actually playing games with me, but it actually was my tail light. That light's good, but this light, not so good. See, it be flashing. Sometimes it was on and it would look like that, but then sometimes it would go dim and then it was flash. And I just realized one day I finally seen it, and it's just these two that are on now, especially at nighttime. So we're gonna change that out. But it's real simple, you know. It looks like whoever had this truck before already changed it out, because they had these, I want to say these like rivet garments in it, and that probably comes straight from the factory. But this one is just regular screws, so they must have changed this one before. And you had them screws right there, and then they have, can we get it, there we go. Then they just have the bolts on the back side, you know, to hold the screws in. So that's the new light. Got it from Freightliner and cost me $17. I'm gonna use this to hold the bolt in the back, and then this in the front to take the screw out, and we're gonna pop that out. We're gonna pop the new one in so that we can have tail lights working good. So just hopefully we can get that light out that dash, because like I said, I hate lights on the dash. But before we get in this video, you already know what I need y'all to do. I need y'all to hit that like button. And if you're new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Hope that you enjoy the content that I'm putting out on this channel. Please hit that subscribe button if you enjoy the content. And don't forget to ring that bell so that you can be notified every time a new video is uploaded. All right, now let's get into this video. All right, family, so in the midst of taking the screws out, to take the chrome cover off, I broke all of the screws. They ain't been taken off in a while, so they just snapped right off as soon as I started turning on them. So I'm gonna have to run to the store so that I can get some screws and some bolts so that I can put this back on. But pretty much got the light out now. Little tab right here. We're gonna lift this tab up, and this should just slide right out. It's been in here a long time too. There we go. Got that out. That's how that's gonna look once we put it back in there. But we gotta run to the store, get some screws, and then we're gonna come right back so we can finish this job. Boom. Now we got all lights now. But that's it. That's simple. You know, I'm teaching y'all how to save money. You got a problem with your truck, if it's something that's small, you got a couple hand tools, you know, you can do it yourself, go ahead and do it yourself. But that's the end of this video. Hopefully you guys like it. If you guys like this video, please jump down in the comment section and type level up for me, just to show me that you appreciate this video and you appreciate the content that I'm putting out for you guys. Definitely appreciate you guys, and y'all stay safe out there, and I'll catch y'all at the next video.